Is chubbiness of the face a concern to you? Let me tell you, exercises are not going to help you. What we have is a layer of fat in the center of our cheek right here, which is called as the buccal fat pad. Now this buccal fat pad is underneath a muscle called as buccinator, and this is what swells up or it makes the cheek look puffy when you smile. So the definition of the higher cheek and the middle part of the cheek gets obliterated because it's all covered by this layer of fat. You can see that in this patient, we are removing the buccal fat pad from inside the mouth. There is no incision on the outside, no visible mark on the outside. This procedure can be done under local anesthesia. It involves a 2 centimeter incision on each side of the cheek. After taking the incision, we dissect out this fat. Now this fat has two lobes, a superficial lobe and a deep lobe. For those of you who are not very chubby and they just want a gentle definition or a gentle dip in the cheeks, we just remove a partial part of the buccal fat pad. And for those of you who want a very extreme kind of hollowed look, we also remove the deep lobe sometimes. Removal of this buccal fat pad makes the tissues shrink inwards and therefore the cheekbones stand out in a better way. This helps us create the look where the cheekbones are the highest point of our face and then the middle part of the cheeks sink inside. Of course, it is important to have proper selection of the patients because we don't want to create a gaunt kind of look. But when done properly, buccal fat pad removal is the permanent solution to chubbiness of the face, and it just involves a very tiny incision and a very good fast recovery.